the national song followed by national anthem.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Suphalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Shashya Shamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsnam Pulakit Yamini, Fulla Kusumit Drumagal Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhur Bhashini, Sukhdam Vardam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Koti Koti Kantha Kal Kal Ninad Karale, Koti Koti Bhujai Rhit Khar Karwale, Abla ke namayet bale, Bahubal Bharini Namami Tarini, Ripudal Varini Mataram, Vande Mataram, Tumi Divya, Tumi Dharma, Tumi Hridi, Tumi Marma, Tvam hi prana sharire, Bahute Tumi ma Shakti, Hridaye Tumi ma Bhakti, Tumarai Pratima Gadi Mandire Mandire, Vande Mataram, Tvam hi Durga Dasha Praharan Dharini, Kamala Kamala Dal Viharini, Bhavani Vidya Daini, Namami Kamalam Amalam Natulam Sujalam Suphalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shyamalam Saralam Susmitam Bhushitam Dharanim Bharanim Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे.
Thank you. Please be seated. Now, I request the Principal Secretary to Government, GAD, to commence the proceedings.
I seek the permission of the Honorable Governor to commence the proceedings.
Yes, permitted.
Now I request the Registrar, Institution of Lokayukta of Andhra Pradesh, to read out the warrant of appointment issued by the Honorable Governor.
Warrant of appointment. By virtue of the power vested in me by proviso to subsection 1 of section 3 and subsection 1 of section 5 of the Andhra Pradesh Lokayukta Act 1983, Act 16 of 2024 as amended, I, S. Abdul Nazir, Governor of Andhra Pradesh, hereby appoint Justice Tallapragada Mallikarjun Rao, former judge of High Court of Andhra Pradesh, to be the Lokayukta for the state of Andhra Pradesh with effect from the date of his assumption of office. Given at Lok Bhavan, Vijayawada, this the 23rd day of August in the year 2026 in the 77th year of Republic of India.
I request the Honorable Governor to administer the oath of office to the Lokayukta designate Honorable Justice Tallapragada Mallikarjun Rao.
I,
Tallapragada Mallikarjun Rao,
having been appointed Lokayukta for the state of Andhra Pradesh,
Lokayukta for the state of Andhra Pradesh,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith
that I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the Constitution of India
and allegiance to the Constitution of India
as by law established,
as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty
that I will uphold the sovereignty
and integrity of India,
and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully
that I will duly and faithfully
and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
perform the duties of my office
perform the duties of my office
without fear or favor,
without fear or favor,
affection or ill will,
affection or ill
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
I seek the permission of the Honorable Governor to conclude the proceedings.
I request all the dignitaries to please rise for national song followed by national anthem.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां शस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।